Are you looking for the best glue for wood to metal? In woodworking, automotive, and DIY repair projects, achieving a durable bond between wood and metal is often a make or break step. The right adhesive must handle diverse material properties, wood's porosity and expansion, metal's smoothness and thermal conductivity, while resisting moisture, temperature swings, and mechanical stress. This comparison analyzes 5 widely available glues that claim strong wood-to-metal performance.
Product number 1. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue Overview. Gorilla's Original Polyurethane Glue is a water-activated adhesive that expands into materials, forming a robust, moisture-resistant bond. It is advertised as a general-purpose glue capable of bonding wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and concrete with expansion to 3 times the depth of the joint and 100% waterproof cured strength. This makes it a versatile option for projects with irregular joints or porous substrates where gap filling and moisture exposure are concerns. Performance observations indicate that the polyurethane chemistry provides excellent bond strength for wood to metal applications where joint gaps exist. The expanding action can fill voids, but users must clamp and clean up excess uncured glue promptly to avoid squeeze-out on visible surfaces. Temperature resistance and waterproof characteristics imply suitability for outdoor use or items exposed to humidity. The lack of a stated working time in the product description requires users to rely on typical polyurethane behavior: 10 to 15-minute work time, several hours to handle, full cure in 24 to 48 hours.
Product number 2. Waldo Clean Super Glue for Metal. Overview. Waldo Clean's metal glue is a cyanoacrylate formulation designed for instant bonding on metal, stainless steel, aluminum, with a clear, dry, and high heat resistance. It highlights quick cure, chemical and water resistance, and an anti-drip design with a precision tip for accurate application on vertical or uneven surfaces. The product touts multi-surface compatibility beyond metal, including wood, plastic, and ceramics. Deeper testing shows rapid initial bond formation, often within seconds, with strong shear and impact resistance, suitable for small metal components, automotive touch-ups, or repair of metal fixtures. However, cyanoacrylate bonds can be brittle under large flexural loads or dynamic stress, and bond performance can degrade with surface contaminants or reactive temperatures outside the stated range of -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 239 degrees Fahrenheit. The product's compatibility with porous surfaces is less robust than polyurethane or epoxy resins, but the precision nozzle and anti-clog cap help maintain performance over multiple uses.
Product number 3. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. Overview. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL uses a thick gel cyanoacrylate formulation designed for vertical surfaces and porous materials, offering a clear, fast-setting bond with minimal runs. The gel consistency makes it well-suited for projects where drip-free application is crucial, such as attaching metal hardware to vertical wooden members or repairing decorative items. Performance-wise, the gel formulation reduces runoff and improves control, but plastic to metal and metal to wood bonds still rely on clean, dry surfaces and adequate cure time. It dries clear, preserving the appearance of the substrate, and is generally fast-setting, 10 to 45 seconds, with a longer practical working time than thin cyanoacrylate liquids. It remains suitable for small to medium-sized fixes, though not ideal for large structural joints or high-load metal-to-metal bonds without supplemental mechanical fasteners. Product number 4. Metal Glue Overview. Vic Price Me presents a 2-component epoxy system in a 1.76-ounce package with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio designed for metal repairs and multi-material bonding. It emphasizes high temperature and chemical resistance, steel-like cured strength, and the ability to drill, sand, and paint the cured epoxy. The product targets heavy-duty repairs in industrial-like applications, promising a long service life across a wide temperature range. In practice, the epoxy bonding involves careful surface preparation, accurate mixing, and a 5-minute handling phase, with full cure in 24 hours. The cured bond's strength and stability are well suited for automotive, marine, and structural repairs where durability matters. The capability to bond metal to wood, plastic, glass, and more makes it a versatile go-to for repair tasks that demand toughness. Users should note the need for good ventilation during mixing due to potential fumes and the risk of skin irritation if handled improperly.
Product number 5. 12x3G Super Glue Gel. Overview. Wucito's kit provides 12 3-gram gel tubes of cyanoacrylate adhesive with a thick, non-drip gel formulation designed for controlled application on vertical or porous surfaces. Each tube features a fine tip for precision and a self-piercing cap to simplify opening. This multi-material gel claims fast bonding with a full cure in 24 hours and a clear, dry finish. Performance-wise, the gel format supports consistent control on uneven or vertical joints, delivering solid bonding for small repairs and crafts. The drawback is that, like other CA glues, it can be brittle under heavy mechanical loads and may not fill large gaps as effectively as epoxy or polyurethane. The single-use packaging reduces waste and ensures product freshness, but it requires multiple tubes for larger projects, which may affect cost per bond for bigger jobs.